This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and in today's video I'll show how you can use the object tracking feature in the default camera app of this device. So while recording the video, if you would like for some object to be always in the focus and for your camera to always keep it in the focus, you'll need to launch the camera. Make sure that you selected the main camera, of course, then enter any of the video modes that are presented here. Then point your camera onto the object you would like to track. Tap on it. Once this yellow square appears, that means that the focus track is enabled. Or actually before that, you'll need to go into camera settings, and enable the tracking autofocus option here. So before you use this feature, make sure that this option here is enabled. Now just find the object you would like to track, select it or tap on it like that. And now as you can see, if I were to move the camera or the object itself, the camera will always keep its focus on this object no matter what. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.